What if everything you've been taught about money is wrong? You work harder, you get a better job, you save diligently. Yet for millions, true financial freedom feels like a mirage. Here's a shocking fact. 97% of people will retire financially dependent on the government, family, or a paycheck they can't afford to lose. They follow the rules but stay on a treadmill, never getting ahead. Why? Because they see money as just paper in a wallet or numbers on a screen. They never learn the system it operates within. Today, we pull back the curtain. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about understanding the fundamental game of money that schools never teach. By the end of this, you will see your financial world with completely new eyes. Let's strip it right back. Money is not a thing. It is a system of trust and energy. Think of it like water. It's not the water itself that's powerful, but its flow. Money is energy that flows through an economy. Its three core jobs are to be a medium of exchange, to trade, a store of value, to hold wealth, and a unit of account, to measure. But the critical, misunderstood part is this. Money's value is not static. It's dynamic and dictated by its flow and scarcity. When you hoard it in a low-interest savings account, that energy stagnates and evaporates due to inflation. When you put it into a system where it circulates, a business, an asset, a skill that creates value, it multiplies. Most people focus on collecting the water drops. The logic shift, focus on building and controlling pipelines for the flow. Meet Alex and Sam. Both earn $60,000 a year. Alex follows the common script, works hard, gets a 3% raise yearly, saves 10% in a bank, dreams of buying a home so saves cash for 20% down, cuts coupons, lives frugally. Sam understands the system. Sam also works hard but invests 10% in learning high-income skills. Sam buys a modest duplex to live in one side, rent the other, uses a mortgage, leveraging the bank system, cuts expenses not on lattes, but on things that don't generate value. Fast forward 10 years. Alex has $85,000 saved, but rising home prices outpace savings. A medical bill wipes out a chunk. Alex's money sat, and inflation ate its energy. Sam's tenant pays most of the mortgage. Sam's increased skill set now earns $90,000. Sam used debt as a tool to acquire an asset that pumps cash flow into his pocket. The asset appreciated. Sam isn't just collecting water, he owns a well and the pipes. The difference isn't luck or hustle. It's understanding that money works in ecosystems of assets, liabilities, cash flow, and leverage. Let's logically break this down into the Cashify logic 4 pillars. This is your mental model. Pillar 1, mindset. Money is a game of psychology. You must see yourself as a CFO of You Incorporated, not just an employee. Pillar 2, allocation. Your income is your fuel. The moment you get it, you must allocate it intentionally. Taxes, investing, savings, lifestyle, in that order. Most do the reverse. Pillar 3, vehicle. Where you put your allocated money matters. Liabilities, cars, consumer debt, drain energy. Assets, businesses, intellectual property, income-generating real estate, stocks, create energy. Your job is to convert income into assets. Pillar 4, leverage. This is the force multiplier. Use other people's money, prudent debt, other people's time, systems/employees, and technology to scale your assets output. This framework turns the abstract system into an actionable plan. So what's the clear takeaway? Wealth isn't about the amount of money you collect. It's about the quality and productivity of the assets you own and the systems you build. Stop just earning and saving. Start thinking in terms of building and controlling financial ecosystems. Your next step? Don't just consume this and move on. Audit your flow. Look at your last 3 bank statements. Categorize every dollar. Was it fuel for a liability or an asset? Then, choose one pillar to attack this month. Learn about index funds, vehicle, negotiate a raise, leverage of your skill, or simply reallocate 5% of your paycheck automatically to an investment account, allocation. The game of money is played every day with or without you. Now you know the rules. Play it intentionally. If this shifted your perspective, smash the like button. It helps us teach more people. Subscribe to Cashify Logic for deep dives into each of these pillars. Turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Now go audit your flow.